12th October, Thursday. Ask, seek, knock. Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be opened to you. The opening verses of today's first reading paint a gloomy picture of hopelessness when evil thrives and goodness seems to be defeated. The people of Israel were unhappy that God did not punish the evildoers, but instead let them flourish. Yet, God assures them that it is just a matter of time before He puts everything in its rightful place. Our situation today isn't too far different from what the Israelites felt then. Every day, we stumble upon injustice in the world around us, where the rich and the powerful continue to prosper at the expense of the poor and the marginalized. We are called to place our trust in God and to firmly believe that He is in control of everything. Jesus emphasizes the same hope when He asks His disciples to pray unceasingly. Sometimes, this part of the gospel may mislead us to conclude that God answers us because of the perseverance of our prayer. Yet, it is not about the one who prays, but the one who is prayed to. The parable required a sleeping friend to wake up and help the neighbor in need. But Jesus drives home a point that God will always be gracious to whoever goes to Him in times of distress. Trusting in the goodness of God is the key to becoming a Christian. Therefore, let us ask, seek, and knock unceasingly so that we find favor in the Lord's sight. Prayer and practice. Help us, Lord, when we are helpless, and grant us to pray unceasingly through our words, thoughts, and deeds.